I just want to ask some of you guys in the chat. One of the things that just watching these hearings has really struck me, I see no remorse. I see the remorse as being manipulative type remorse that's designed to manipulate people that are hearing them speak in the court of law. I mean, in the case of Jodie Hildebrandt, she's just a total monster. Perhaps Ruby Frankie, she's not as monstrous, but she is a monster also. But the bigger monster, I believe, is this woman right here on the screen, Jodie Hildebrandt, and that's how she's going to look for the next anywhere from 4 to 60 years, depending on how stiff a sentence she actually gets from this. So let me return to the hearing. We can hear the rest of this Oscar speech.
My freedom. You were not the controlling ones. I was. Thank you to the medical staff at Intermountain Hospital. Your skill, tenderness, and professionalism helped heal my children. Jodie and I inflicted the injuries, not the hospital. Thank you to DCFS, the Children's Justice Center, Judge Basil, and other key adults. You've gathered my children under your wing and offered them love, compassion, encouragement. You were not the ones who were doing the brainwashing. Thank you to my Bishop Tom Hawks and my state president, Jim Nilsson, for reminding me of the Lord's love for the lost. So much pain and suffering would have been avoided had I followed and heeded your counsel. I was the one who was deceived, not you. Thank you to the Washington County Prosecutor's Office, Ryan Sham, the legal assistants and discovery clerks. Eric Clark, you exemplified to me how justice and mercy are meant to coexist. My charges are just. They offer safety to my family, accountability to the public, and they did show mercy to me. Thank you to my attorney, Lamar Winward, and his staff. I would not be where I am today without them. Thank you to Randy Kester for your limitless energy in healing my family. My dear friends, Pam and Roy, I'm so sorry for letting you down. Because of your association with me, your innocence was called into question. My mother-in-law, father-in-law, Kevin's family, my cousins, aunts, uncles, nieces, nephews, and neighbors, you all saw the warning signs long before I did, and you did what you could. You wanted to help, but I pushed you away. My mother and father, I have been utterly wretched to you. You have offered me unconditional love, and for that I have offered you unconditional contempt. My siblings and their spouses, because of my decision to roll around in a pigsty, I have dragged your families through the mud in public. Yet, when I desired to return as the prodigal sister, unlike the prodigal's brother in the Bible, you synced step with my parents and ran out to greet me. Your capacity to love is unprecedented. I sincerely love these children.
All right, we heard that speech before.
Yeah, we heard that one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one is
Yeah.
That one is even worse than this one. I just, I can't